This video shows you how to connect your Epson printer to a wireless network. In this demonstration, you will be using the printer's buttons to select wireless settings. Before you start, there are a few things you need to check. Do I already have a wireless network? First, make sure you have a network already set up. Your network may include one or more computers, or an internet modem connected to a router. Before making a connection, make sure that your router is wireless. Later, you will see how to add your Epson printer by connecting it to the router. What other information will I need? You'll also need to know your wireless network's name. This is called the SSID. The SSID was entered into your router when it was first set up. What security settings am I using? If you have wireless security turned on, you'll also need to know your network password. If you don't have this information, ask the person who set up your network. Now, let's set up your Epson printer and add it to your network. When you're done, you'll be able to print wirelessly from this computer. You can add the ability to print from another computer later on. Follow the steps on the Start Here sheet. The Start Here sheet shows you how to physically set up your printer. When you get here, install your printer software. Insert the CD that came with your printer. If you do not have a CD-ROM drive, download the software from the Epson support site. When you see this screen, click Install. Follow the instructions on the screen to install the software. This can take several minutes. At this screen, select how you want to connect. Since you want to print wirelessly, select Wireless Connection and click Next. Select the option to set up printer for the first time and click Next. The installer may be able to detect your wireless settings and automatically connect your product to your network. If this is your first time setting up your printer, select Yes and select Next. Then follow the on-screen instructions. If you prefer to set up the wireless connection manually, select No to manually add your printer to your network. Then, click Next. If you did not see the Auto Connect screen or choose to manually set up your printer, you see this screen. Since you'll be using the printer buttons to connect to your wireless network, choose Using Printer Buttons and click Next. You will need your wireless network's SSID and password in order to set up your printer. This information will automatically appear on the screen if your computer is connected to a wireless network. Click Show Network Password to display the password. Then, copy down the SSID and password exactly as shown. When you're done, click Next. When you see this screen, look at your printer's control panel. If you do not see this screen, press the Home button. Press the up arrow button to select Wi-Fi setup, and press the OK button to select it. Select Wi-Fi Setup Wizard and press OK. Now, you'll choose your wireless network and enter its password. If necessary, press the down arrow button until you see the name of your network, then press OK to select it. Use the numeric keypad to enter your password. If your password contains uppercase or lowercase letters, be sure to enter them in the correct case. Press a number button repeatedly to enter lowercase letters, uppercase letters, and numbers. To enter special characters, press the 1 button repeatedly. Press the right arrow button to move to the next character. Press the left arrow button to delete an incorrect character. When you're done entering your password, press OK. And then press OK again. Press OK to complete wireless setup, or press one of the Start buttons to print a connection report and confirm your wireless connection. Your printer is connected to your wireless network. Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to finish installing the software. Your Epson product is now ready to print wirelessly. If you want to print from another computer, insert the CD that came with your printer or run the software you downloaded and follow the instructions on the computer screen. When you get to this step, select "The printer is already on my wireless network." Follow the rest of the instructions on the computer screen to install the software. You can repeat this process for any additional computers. You are now ready to print wirelessly from your computers.